Coverage you can count on continues with Chief Meteorologist Nicholas Ferreri's live Doppler 15 Fury forecast.
Well, we've had lots of weather information presented during this newscast, but if you're just tuning in now, let me give you a quick recap. A handful of tornado reports came in with storms across the region earlier, and we got this viewer photo from our Wayne weather app. A viewer took this of the storm as it was going through Wabash tonight, and what you're seeing here is this tornado just forming. It took on a rope formation soon after this photo was shot, and that was when it extended farther to the southeast. You can almost get a glimpse there of it coming together. As far as where these reports came in, well, we were looking at Wabash and Huntington counties primarily, from Rowan down to Wabash, then in Huntington County from Andrews southward, then also a tornado reported near Van Wert County just to the south in Mercer County. Again, final confirmation for these tornadoes will come when the National Weather Service heads out in the coming days to assess whether the damage was actually produced by a tornado. But we can't forget that it wasn't just tornadoes and strong storms during the evening that we experienced today. When the day began, we had heavy rain spread across the region, and that resulted in a number of heavy rain and flood reports. Those came in primarily from Fort Wayne northward, whereas tonight's active storm activity came in from Fort Wayne to the south. As far as rainfall amounts from today, including the morning storms and the evening storms, we had amounts that varied greatly. Our radar estimates amounts around 2 inches in Fort Wayne. Now down to the southeast in Van Wert County, some spots around 4.5 inches. But not all areas saw such heavy rain. Those areas highlighted in blue here, very light totals, less than an inch. 0.6 inches estimated around Angola. And still some rain falling, and it's heavy in spots like Paulding, still getting pounded with rain to the east of 127 there in Paulding County. Across Fort Wayne, nothing more than just a few scattered sprinkles on the eastern side of the county, from Leo down to Woodburn and near Monroeville. Off to the southwest, we're watching these storms carefully. They could affect southern portions of Wabash County and Grant County. These storms now leaving Kokomo, heading toward Converse, 1125, Marion at 1140, and Upland at 1151. Nothing severe here, but more torrential rain possible. Could also get some gusty winds and smaller sized hail. As far as our severe threat here tonight, it is over. Yes, some storms remain, but they are under severe limits, and I do not expect any additional warnings issued overnight. So that should put you at ease as you head off to bed this evening. We have a warm, muggy week ahead, and more rain and thunderstorms are certainly possible, although within the next 24 hours, no severe weather is expected. What's happening is today's disturbance heads to the south. It stays there, but by the time we get to Wednesday, it's going to come back north, and at that point, we could see storm activity increase once again. We have a temperature of 73 with winds from the east-southeast at 5 miles per hour. You'll note as we activate Futurecast, the returns of rain pretty much become nil once we head into our Tuesday morning. Anything that's around on Tuesday morning, tomorrow morning, would be a scattered sprinkle or shower, very light in nature as we get to the morning commute. Plenty of clouds will linger. Temperatures start off on the warm side near 70, and we'll be in the mid-80s by the time we get to a late afternoon and evening. Our high tomorrow reaches 85 degrees. 72 at 8 in the morning, 80 at noon, and 85 at 4. We look at your exclusive 10-day forecast, and what we're going to see there is the fact that temperatures remain in the 80s. We see rain chances linger till the end of the week. The weekend looks dry, and it is much more comfortable. 80 on Saturday, 82 on Sunday, but heat increases next week. We'll be back to 90 on Tuesday. Heather, Brett?
Thank you very much, Nicholas. We have some breaking news.